Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous class, we learned what is artificial intelligence, right? Today we are going to answer very interesting question. That is, how does the AI learn, and how AI will be work? Like, does someone teach AI, like teachers teaches the students, right? Or does AI become a smart on its own, or AI is something magical, or what? Let's understand how it is working. So let's begin. Before moving into the things, okay, first we will do one thing. We will take some example. So yeah, we will take some example, then it will be easy to understand. In the previous video also I have given so many examples, right? Let's start. Imagine you are a small child and one day your mother shows an apple. Okay, one day your mother shows an apple and she says, this is an apple. The next day she will shows the another apple to you. Then she will tell, again she will say, this is an apple. Then she will shows another one and she will ask you what it is. Then after seeing many apples, you no longer needed anyone to explain you, anyone to tell you, right? After showing the so many examples, after you will easily identify this is the apple, right? Whenever you see the new apple, you immediately say this is an apple, right? Have you bited this one? Did you memorize the one apple? No, right? You learn the pattern, how it is looking, right? You notice that apple are usually round and have a stem and comes in a color red or green, right? So you will see the patterns and you will learn that pattern, right? So like that, AI also going to learn in a similar way. Instead of looking at one picture, we will show the AI thousands of pictures. We will give a thousands of pictures of apple. Then you will say this is an apple. Then you will provide thousands of banana images. Then you will say this is a banana, how it is looking, right? After seeing a many example, AI starts finding the pattern. It notices apples are often round, bananas are usually the long and curved, right? Now, when AI sees a new picture, it gives a guess, right? Whether it is an apple or it is a banana, which one it is, right? So this is how the AI it is going to identify the things, right? Let's take one more example. Let's take a school example. Let's take your teacher teaches you that 2 plus 2 equal to 4, right? And next day she will teach 3 plus 3 equal to 6, right? Like that she will teach so many patterns for you. After solving the many questions, if I ask 15 plus 15, if your teacher asks 15 plus 15, you will easily identify and you will tell the answer, right? You can answer it, right? You have never solved that question, then also you are able to calculate that question and you will provide a proper answer, right? Because you learn the pattern, you learn the concept, right? AI also learn the similar way. So let's take how AI will be learn means we have three things that AI need to know. Without that, AI will not identify anything, right? Just like a students need a book, right? Student need a book, student need teachers, right? To learn anything, right? So like that, AI also need the three most important thing, that is the data and the learning and the practice, right? As you know, data means the information. Data is like a information. It can be a pictures, it can be a video, it can be a text, and it can be a number, right? The more good quality of the data, if you are given a quality of data, if you are given a good quality of the data means it will provide you a good result. It will provide you a good result. The more good quality of the data if you are given means AI has a better learning and it will provide you a better result, right? This one is a data. This is the most important for the AI. And the second one is a learning. The learning means AI is that data whichever you have given that it is going to be learned and it is going to find the pattern. It compare the example, it notices the similarity and it notices the any differences are there, and it is going to compare with the data with each other. It is going to compare, it is look the pattern and it is going to learn that one. So second one is a learning and third one is a practice. The more example AI sees means it is going to provide a better version, right? It will be better, right? Just like you improve the practicing, like if you are practicing the maths daily means you can easily solve the any problem, right? Like that, it will be improved by practicing the patterns and it is going to practice all the data and differences and compare it. It is going to learn that one, it is going to practice that one, and through that it will generate the result. So we need a most three important things, that is the data, and it is going to learn, and it is going to practice that one, and after that it is going to generate a data, right? The AI need these three important things. Okay, let me know what are the AIs you are using in a day-to-day life. Let me know in the comment. Before I tell you, let me know in the comments. Okay, the AI around us is example can be a YouTube. Example can be a YouTube. Right, it is going to give you a recommended videos, right? How it is going to recognize means when you are searching right in the YouTube, it is going to store that one which you are searching, and it is going to check the hours, how many hours you are watching that videos, and it is going to see the patterns which you are searching in a YouTube. Later what it is going to give means it will provide you that similar videos. For example, if you are searching a programming video means next day when automatically you are opening the YouTube, it is automatically recommending you a programming videos. Like that, the Google Map, how it is going to provide you a traffic information. There is a traffic in that area, you can see the traffic. Like that, it is going to show, right? How it is going to identify means first it is going to fetch the device's location, right? When you are traveling, so many people are traveling, right? That time it is going to fetch the location of the devices. Then it is going to find the how many devices are currently there, and it is going to identify the speed of the devices, and it is going to find the pattern, and it is going to check with the algorithm in this time the vehicle where it can be travel, where it can reach, and after that it is going to provide you that the traffic information, right? Then you can see the face unlock, right? It is going to recognize your face, and it is going to unlock your mobile. That time you can see that it will identify the each pixel of your face, means when you are capturing, right? That time it is going to identify the pixel, it is going to match that pixel. Then if it is matching means it is automatically unlocking your mobile, right? That is also in a pixel, it is a data, right? Then your Spotify also suggests the songs based on your playlist, right? So this is AI around us. Let me know, let's if you know more example, let me know in the comments, so you can share with your friends, right? Whoever watching the videos, they can easily see the more examples. Let me know in the comment. So yeah, we have covered this one. Yeah, next let's understand the difference between the human versus AI. Human are learning from the teachers, learning from the parents, right? The AI learning from the data whichever you have provided. It is practicing the homework, right? It is practicing, then it is a better version, right? It will, you will get a good result by practicing, right? It is learning from the example whichever you have provided example, it is learning from that example, right? Improve with exercise. The teachers given some of the exercise and homeworks, you are practicing that, you are doing that, by that you are getting a more knowledge, right? So it is a improve with more data. Here in the AI, data is the most important thing. Without the data, AI is nothing. If you are giving a wrong data means, if you are feeding the wrong data for the AI means, you will get a wrong answer only, right? So it uses the brain, it uses the computers, it uses a machine, right? So one thing I want to say, like, don't depend completely on the AI, right? Sometimes it will generate a wrong answer. So first try to find out your own answer, then you compare with that. Sometimes AI also can be a wrong. So yeah, remember one thing, AI is not a smart, AI is not a magic, AI is not something natural one. No, AI is not born with a smart, right? It learned from the data, it learned from the example, it learned from the practice. Then it will be a better version, right? The better data if you are provided means you will get a better result, and it will be a called as a better AI, right? So let's me ask you a few questions, right? AI learn from let me give you an option: magic, data and examples. Third option is luck. Let me know in the comment. AI learn from, first option is the magic, second option is the data and example, third is the luck. And one more thing, name one app that uses the AI. Give me a one app name that uses the AI. You can easily identify that one. Let me know in the comments. So yeah, this is about how does AI learn. This is the most important thing. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.